How to change the administrator in Windows 11. Quick and easy guide. First, click on the Start button or simply press the Windows key on your keyboard. Then go to Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Accounts on the left-hand side. Next, select Other Users option. This is where you can see all the user accounts set up on your PC. Under Other Users, find the account you want to change to an administrator. Once you see it, click on the account, then select Change Account Type. A small window will pop up. Under Account Type, you'll see an option for Standard User or Administrator. Switch this to Administrator, then hit OK. And that's it. You've successfully changed the account to an administrator. This user now has full control of the system, just like the previous admin. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.